Hey guys, welcome back to another Coin Form video. In today's video, we're talking about Boost Mobile and some of the great deals they have for Black Friday. So let's go ahead and check it out. These deals are currently online right now and they're live. So this is boostmobile.com. So check it out, guys. So if we go to shop, go to phones, it's gonna be a quick video. You'll be able to see that. So let's see if it'll let me do it. There you go. All right, it says get your new phone, guys. Check it out. Quite a bit of big discounts. So check it out, guys. It says you can for right now. So the Motorola Razr, $600, guys. You can get it for $200, guys. Wow, $400 savings right there. Look at this, an iPhone 12, really good deal. These two are really good deals. $630. That's the retail on this phone. It does go for $149.99. So for $150, guys, you can get a brand new iPhone 12, which is crazy. We'll come back. I'm just gonna go through the prices and kind of go through some specs. Well, let's actually kind of do it. Look at the Motorola Razr. I think this is a perfect thing. You can get insurance on it. You pick a plan, I believe. With this one, you might have to get like one of the more expensive plans. But check this thing out, guys. If you're thinking about getting the Motorola Razr, the new one, and it's $600, and you're trying to get a bargain. Right now, Boost Mobile, like I said, you can get for $200, guys. You can add protection for only $12 a month, which is pretty crazy. Sage green. As you can see, look at this, man. It's a 2023, model. So it's the newest one. You do get compact sizing, of course, which is good. So it does have dual lenses as well in the camera. I think overall it's pretty cool. So a lot of chicks and dudes like it. It's very nice. You can have it folded and do different things with it. Let's say it's gonna be a quick video, so watch without propping. No tripod needed, so it's pretty cool because you can just fold it. But of course, that fold might give out, and I do see that on the Samsung Flips. Sorry guys, it is kind of late, so I'm a little tired, so I'm kind of sleepy. So go over a day on a single charge. Of course, does have fast charging, so this is free yourself from cords with wireless charging. Power up in just minutes with turbocharged 30-watt charging. You have to have compatible charging block and phone, of course. The essentials and everything does have 6.9-inch POLED, 144 hertz, HDR10 plus, and spatial sound. So pretty cool, guys. Like I said, I'm not going to go too much into it, but just some quick things. If you want to pause it does have fingerprint. Storage, of course, has a lot, 128 gigs of internal storage. And here's the final specs on it. And of course, everybody knows about the iPhone 12, but like I said, real good deal at $150. Here you go for a budget-friendly people, an A23 5G phone. So you can get a 5G device, guys, for only $20. This phone goes for $300. You can get it for $20. Really good deals. Now, not all phones are on sale. As you can see, the 15s are not on sale. Mainly the older stock. No 15, which kind of sucks. At least $100, so they should have knocked off. The iPhone SE, this is the 3rd gen. This is $430. You can get it for $380. So not too big of a savings, but still you can save some money on it. This is crazy. An iPhone 11 Pro, guys, they're saying it's 12. Let me see the details on this thing. It's almost $1,300. Good lord. Well, it is okay. So I see why it is. It's the 512 gigabytes, but still, I think that's pretty outrageous. But hey, if you want to get half off on this phone, technically, like I said, you're saving over, good lord, over, close to $600. God, yeah, it's funny. But you can get an iPhone 11 Pro, which I don't know why you would, but for $637.49. Weird number, but hey, you can get a TCL 30Z for $25 to $90. An iPhone 13 Pro Max. For only $1,000. So like I said, I don't know, like I said, this is older stock. An iPhone 13 Pro for $900. Let's go for the next page. Here you go, an iPhone 11 for $400. But why would you do that? You should just do an iPhone 12 for $150. So like I said, some of these prices, I don't know, they're kind of ridiculous or a little crazy. I don't know. iPhone 12 mini $383. Celero 5G, this phone does retail for $290. You get it for $60. I think that's a decent phone. I do have that phone, and I think I have some videos on it. The Nokia G100 is $140. You get it for $40. the Moto G 5G and this 190 for 30 bucks. So as you can see, there's a lot of budget friendly devices, guys, right now on Boost Mobile. Like I said, Moto G Stylus 5G. If you want a stylus pen and still have a nice 5G 2023 model for 20 bucks, you can definitely do it. This one's another winner, I think. The Edge Plus 2023 is $850. You get it for $400. Moto G Play, it's all right. 10 bucks for a 5G device, guys. Wow, that's the cheapest one you'll probably find. It's a TCL 30XE 5G for $10. And last page, the Celero 5G 60. Nothing else really on sale here. A Boost Bounce of 50 bucks. S23 800. Like I said, the main ones like the 14 Pros and 15s are really not on sale. The Edge, 150. So overall, what do you guys think? Like I said, you can view details on here. Let's just go ahead and do something like the Razor. So you don't have to even put the insurance. You can just decline it. It's up to you. But it does try to sell you on insurance, $30 screen repairs for 12 bucks a month. I don't think that's that bad at all. And of course, it is going to choose a plan for you. So check this out, guys. The $60 plan. So for this one, you do have to have the $60 unlimited plan, which gives you unlimited talk, text, and data, and 30 gigs of mobile hotspot, and Todo Mexico included. So not bad at all. So let me know in the comments below what you think, guys. Like I said, just quick video, so not bad at all. Try to save you some money on some of these phone deals. So yeah, check it out, guys. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. More videos coming your way. Thank you.